I'm Jamie Costello with your WMAR 2 News update. Friday, the mayor of Baltimore announced a new plan to prevent crime throughout the city. Mayor Brandon Scott says it's a new approach to tackling crime. This new plan has an emphasis on community engagement. City Police Commissioner Michael Harrison compared it to a health care plan for an illness.
And for the first time now, we're not medicating and prescribing medicine for symptoms. We're actually going after the cure for violence.
And other parts of the plan include making sure the city sends appropriate professionals to emergencies, not just police officers, and working on legislation to reduce false alarm calls for officers. A local salon offered coronavirus vaccines on Friday in an effort to stop the spread of the Delta variant. The Hello Bonita Hair Salon is on Washington Boulevard in Baltimore's own Pigtown, and the organizers of this vaccine clinic hope to encourage Black and Latino people to get the vaccine and trust the science behind it.
Do I feel safe getting the COVID-19 vaccine, like as you had mentioned? Is it going to protect me against the additional barriers and the additional variants that we know are going to be that are going to come from the COVID-19 virus?
This clinic is using an outreach program called Good Health and Good Hair, with a track record of reaching people in Baltimore's most vulnerable communities. Well, you've probably heard of the Harriet Tubman Museum, but did you know there's also a drive tour that you can go along the same path that Harriet Tubman traveled in the 1800s? There are 45 sites related to Tubman's journey in Caroline and Dorchester counties alone. One of the first stops is in the courthouse in Cambridge, where Harriet Tubman's niece and her children were up for auction. Tubman ended up taking them to safety in Philadelphia. The driving tour goes all the way to Philadelphia, but you can learn so much by staying right there on Maryland's Eastern Shore, where Harriet was born. You can find more hidden gems in Maryland on WMAR2news.com.
Now we're talking about temperatures in the 70s as you start off your morning with plenty of sunshine, but I'm expecting the clouds to build as we head through the afternoon. Temperatures to warm into the upper 80s, which is where we were on Friday, just a little bit stickier, not as comfortable through the afternoon, and that straight chance of showers as we head into the late evening hours. Daytime highs hit 89 here in the city, 87 in Easton, 86 from Columbia all the way into Annapolis, and we're warming towards the mid-90s for your Sunday. Isolated pop-ups are likely through the afternoon. Same for your Monday as temperatures warm towards the mid-90s for the middle of the week. Rain chances on Wednesday, drying out to finish out the work week.
All right, click with us online at WMAR2news.com for updates on top stories and breaking news. Also for news and weather while you're on the go, download the WMAR2 News app in the App Store. Thanks for watching. I'm Jamie Costello.
This WMAR2 News update is sponsored by Jones Junction.